Bigger bull looks like he's hit. Bigger bull's gonna go down. Go down, sucker. He's down. Woohoo! He's hit. All right, here we are, Mr. Brad, Mr. Paul Corley. Here he is, White Herb,
Yeah.
Mr. Pete.
Bad shot, Pete.
No, we got a dead bull here. We got 2 dead bulls here.
Dead bull.
2 BVD. And we're just walking down. They're way down the canyon and up the other side. Dad glassed these bulls up about 10:29 this morning, and yeah, it's official now. We got it done. All glory to God. All glory to God. Camera Corley, keep the faith. Hunting production. The Faith Guide Service. I cannot believe we just did this. 2 clients, 2 bulls. Back over here. Absolutely nuts, man. So nuts. All glory to God. All glory to God. Tuesday. There you go, Mr. Pete.
Got shot.
There you go, man.
Blood up here on his head. Wow.
Beautiful bull. Beautiful bull, really.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Solid fiber.
5 by 5. Gosh, he had 1 shot good. Just kind of didn't regret that.
Alright. Knocking out Mr. Brad's bull. Yeah.